Hello student, today we are going to see our section number 3. Within section number 3, writing skill. Within writing skill, question number 4. Question number 4, bit A. In bit A, there are 3 options. We have the first option is the virtual message oblique statement of purpose oblique group discussion. Within 3, anyone we can attempt. That is why in this writing skill, the first question number 4A, these 3 we have points, we can solve any within 3. That we have, everyone have 4 marks. Today we will see the group discussion. In our day-to-day life, this word group discussion, with the help of group discussion, our friend groups, our class group, we may express our opinions, express our feelings, emotions, thoughts, that the feelings. We can transfer our thoughts to everyone. That is why, with the help of group discussion, the point is most important in our life, because what is they are saying, what we are saying, that may be negative, we are positive, but everyone have the right to express their opinion in the group discussion. Points to remember while writing the dialogues. In group discussion, everyone's opinion. There may be 5% or there may be 10%. There may be small group, there may be large group. They can discuss any subject. What types of subject? In group discussion, there are some different kinds of that we have, that such types of, there is a topics, teenagers are more inclined towards the junk foods nowadays. Those who are teenagers, they are attracted to junk food. There are some advantage or disadvantage. Such types of, there are many subjects. Nowadays, it is dangerous to human being. That is why that these subjects we can discuss, and with the help of group discuss, other can understand that disadvantage of that subject. Remember, in group discussion is a formal discussion on a given topic. There may be a specific topic. What types of topic? Anyone in our college campus, there may be something is a disadvantage, something is a dangerous. That dangerous things are not using everyone, but they have everyone's something lost from that dangerous. Everyone's are disturbed every day. A group discussion is a formal discussion on a given topic. Second one, the participants analyze the topic and given their views and opinions. Those who are participants, they can analyze the specific subject, the topic, and given their views. What is your opinions? Few counter view that and the opinions. All those who are participants, they may express their views, their opinions, their feelings. That is why some are positive, some are negative. But they are accepting their opinions. Next, third question. In the written form of the discussion, you have to write the dialogues for at least 3 or 4. The written form of the discussion. In a discussion, whenever our discuss on mobile, something is we are attending meeting, what the speaker is saying, we are listening that specific subject. We are asking some questions that person because we have some doubt about that. The written forms of the discussion, you have to write dialogues for at least something. You have to write 3 or 4 types of at least dialogues. People on the given topic. There may be any topic solved. The fourth point is you must use the format of the dialogues. You must use the format. What types of? You must use the format. The format of the dialogues. There are different kinds of format of dialogues. 2 persons, 3 persons or 4 persons. There may be. We have different kinds of, we have rights to, we can express that. 5 number, correct vocabularies, phrases, expressions, sentences must be used. Within these expressions, within the conversation, we are using different, must be correct vocabularies as well as phrases, expressions, and tenses must be used. The sentence should be correct. Our discussion should be correct. Because those who are audience, they can follow our rules and regulations. And the phrases and expressions should be correct. That is why, with the help of these points, we can express our dialogues to audience, and that subject will be clear within that group discussion. We can express our opinion. In a society, the most important part is a group discussion. Because something is definitely they can decide something specific. What is a good or what is a bad. Something is advantageous, they are searching. That is why group discussion, we can find out the specific something that advantage. It is a necessary. That group discussion is a supervised communication activities. At least 3 or 4 participants exchange views and opinions on the given topic. While presenting their views and opinions, the participant also remains respective to views, opinions of others participants. There may be arguments and counter arguments in a positive way. Similarly, some opinions are supported, some are opposed finally. Under the supervision of the evaluator, the members conclude the discussion on the general consciousness. So, with the help of this, there are the language of group discussion. Expressing opinion, I believe, I think, in opinion, it seems to, could I made. Expressing agreement, absolutely correct, you are right, I agree with you. You are right, I fully agree with you. Expressing disagreement. I am afraid I don't agree with you. I can't see you point this. Such types of some degree. Disagreement. Making suggestion. I think you should. Why don't? Could be. Let's. Don't be. Such types of points we can using the some suggestion. My opinion is you should be do hard work. Asking the opinion. What's your opinion? Such types of point we are using. Those are participants. What do you feel about? I wonder what do you want about? I would like to know about your stance on such types of you are using. Interrupting. I am very sorry to interrupt you. I don't like this. Excuse me. Could I add something, please? That is true. Handling interruption. Whenever they are both discussion, yeah, third one is interrupting and saying, I am sorry, I am disturbing you, but my opinion is that you would just let me finish. Could I finish that? I am saying, could you hold on the moment? Concluding, to summarize, we can conclude by saying, let's run quickly through the main ideas before concluding the discussion. So, with the help of points, we can take respect and give respect to others, those who are participants. There may be 5 or 10% participants, but those who are brilliant person, that person may be something finding ways what is correct or what is incorrect. In the group discussion, someone are giving means advantage, some are giving disadvantage. That is why this group discussion in question number 4, we have 4 marks and it is the easy parts than statement of purpose or virtual message. Nowadays, we are looking virtual message in COVID-19 periods. We are using the messages everywhere. That is why it is not challenge. Day to day life we are using this all techniques. Thank you. Good morning, student. Today we are going to see our writing skill, section number 3. Within our section number 3, question number 4. In A bit, already we have studied the virtual message as well as this is the group discussion. How we are attempt this writing skill, group discussion. In our digest, it is a example. That example with answer. How these are characters, they are discussing with each other. The subject of they are the Rama, Asif, Rachna and Arav are participating in good discussion. The evaluators has given them a topic. Teenagers are more inclined towards junk food. Nowadays, write suitable dialogues for each participant giving his her opinion on the topic. You may use the following points. Obesity, worldwide phenomenon, threat to health. Evaluator, you have all been given few minutes to think on topic. Teenagers are more inclined towards junk food for today's group test. You may now begin the discussion. You would like to start. Now these are 4 characters. They are discussing on the subject of teenagers are more inclined. They are attracted towards the junk foods. How it is dangerous for their future. The evaluators please conclude. The answer we will see the first character, the Rama, that I think I will, in my opinion, it is a very true. Junk food leads to obesity, and we find more obese teenagers around nowadays. Then I say, I am afraid I can't agree with that statement. Most of teenagers in our college look quite fit and active. However, I think we must see the issue in wider perspective. The inclination towards junk food among teenagers is worldwide phenomenon. One can't jump to conclusion by just looking around, the citing a few examples in our college. Next, Rachna, it seems to me that Rama made me valid point. Teenagers the world over are inclined towards junk food and it is a poses a great threat. I suggest that the teenagers change their food habits and resort to healthy snacks. Our tradition offers a wide variety of such snacks. Evaluators, please conclude. Arav, we can conclude by saying our teenagers are inclined to junk food. They must change their food habits. It is a high time they switch to healthy snacks. We need healthy citizens to take our country forward. So such types of example in a college campus, more are teenagers. They are eating a junk food and it is a dangerous for health. That is why in our group discussion, these four characters have discussed on how the junk food is dangerous for the health. Thank you.